I'm going to be checking out this folding hand truck that I bought off of Amazon. Let's get it out of the box and check this thing out. So in the box is the hand truck itself. It comes with some bungees, which is cool. And then this little brochure here about it. And this picture really illustrates what I want this for. We get tons of packages. A lot of times the packages for the farm are really heavy. I'm tired of carrying them around. I'm tired of trying to find a dolly. This thing folds up. I can leave it in my truck even, but this is something you could easily hang on the wall. Probably going to buy more of these if I'm happy with it, but I wanted to try it before I went and just bought 10 of them. So let's do that. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing all stretched out. So check it out. This thing is small, but it looks like big enough to do everything I need to do. I love the fact that it has that handle piece down on the bottom. I'm going to show you in a second that lets you move this, you know, like this. You can pull it kind of like a wagon, or if you put it straight up, it has this piece here. You just push this down. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Not too bad though. You push it down and now it's like a dolly where this thing is sturdy and straight up. So you can do it either way just by pushing that little plastic piece down. It collapses really easy, expands really easy. You don't have to pull this piece out, but all you gotta do is grab it on the end and pull it, and it gives you more space there. It's got 6 casters on it also, which is one of the big reasons I wanted this one. I didn't want it to just have 4. Some of the stuff I buy is just super heavy and small, so I don't want it to have any problems carrying the weight. And then the front wheels, there's 4 of them. They turn like this, and if you can see, they lock too. You can lock them so that way it won't roll, but the back wheels stay straight. So that way it's like pulling a cart. These back wheels are fixed straight, and they have like a rubberized coating on them to keep from scarring up anything. And this thing is really lightweight for it to be able to handle that much weight and pull it around. This is not a heavy dolly or hand truck. Easily could be thrown in your trunk or in the back seat of your car, your SUV, whatever, and you wouldn't even know it was back there. And when you needed it, it's there. I'm going to put some toolboxes on this thing because that's one of the reasons I want one of these. Is you can get these little toolbox dollies for my toolboxes, but they're about 60 to 100 bucks a piece based on which one you buy. And this is half the price of the cheapest one. And it comes with more features, so why wouldn't I just buy this? So let me get some of those on there and let you check that out. All right, so this little Craftsman VersaStack set here is one of my favorite little toolboxes to bring around. It's got a handle on the top, and I can easily lift that up and carry it. But it does get heavy if you're needing to carry it around a lot. So hello, check this out. It fits perfectly on this thing. This maybe weighs 50 pounds, maybe. This thing handles it with no problem. But when I'm working in the garage or under the car, something like that, and I'm on the ground and I want to get to my tools, I mean, this makes it perfect. And again, way cheaper than buying the little dollies that go underneath these. I definitely like it. I think you will too. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.